From the air, the sprawling metropolis of Shanghai is a sight to behold. A symphony of steel and glass, ancient and modern, rising from the banks of the Huangpu River. This vibrant city, home to over 26 million souls, pulses with an energy unlike anywhere else on Earth. Look closely and you'll see the iconic Oriental Pearl Tower, piercing the sky like a needle from a bygone world. Nearby, the sinuous curves of the Shanghai Tower, a testament to China's modern architectural prowess, dwarf even the most impressive skyscrapers. In this series, we will embark on a journey to uncover 10 of Shanghai's most captivating wonders. From the tranquil gardens of Yu Garden to the bustling heart of Nanjing Road, prepare to be amazed by the beauty, history, and sheer scale of this extraordinary city. Our journey begins on the Bund, Shanghai's iconic waterfront promenade. Once a humble towpath, it was transformed into a grand avenue lined with imposing buildings that reflected the city's growing wealth and international influence. Stroll along the Bund at sunset, as the sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors, and the city lights begin to twinkle, and you'll feel the pulse of history mingled with the vibrant energy of modern Shanghai. No structure embodies Shanghai's futuristic ambition quite like the Oriental Pearl Tower. Rising 468 meters above the Pudong skyline, this iconic structure with its distinctive spheres and spire has become a symbol of China's economic resurgence. Ascend to the tower's observation decks and prepare to be captivated by breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Escape the bustling city streets and step into the tranquil oasis of Yu Garden, a classical Chinese garden that offers a serene escape from the urban jungle. Wander through the garden's winding paths, admire the intricate carvings and vibrant colors of its pavilions, and listen to the gentle sound of water cascading over rocks, a soothing balm for the soul. Prepare to be humbled by the sheer scale and ambition of the Shanghai Tower, a modern marvel that pierces the heavens as the tallest building in China. Its twisting, spiraling form, a feat of engineering ingenuity, is not just aesthetically stunning, but also serves to reduce wind load, making it a beacon of sustainable design. Ascend to the tower's observation deck, the highest in the world, and experience the sensation of standing at the top of the world. Hold on to your wallets as we venture into the heart of Shanghai's shopping mecca Nanjing Road. Navigate the throngs of people, sample local delicacies from street vendors, and marvel at the dazzling neon lights that illuminate the night, transforming Nanjing Road into a magical spectacle. Find a moment of peace amidst the urban frenzy at the Jade Buddha Temple, a sanctuary of serenity in the heart of Shanghai. Admire the intricate carvings and colorful murals that adorn the temple halls, breathe in the scent of incense, and witness the devotion of worshippers as they offer prayers and light incense. Prepare for an unforgettable adventure at Shanghai Disneyland, the happiest place in China. This magical kingdom promises a day filled with enchantment for visitors of all ages. Step back in time and experience the charm of ancient China in Zhujiajiao Watertown. A beautifully preserved town crisscrossed by canals and dotted with traditional houses, bridges, and temples. Take a leisurely boat ride along the canals, admire the reflections of ancient architecture in the water, and savor the tranquility of this historical gem. Embark on a captivating journey through China's rich artistic heritage at the Shanghai Museum, a world-renowned institution that houses an impressive collection of ancient Chinese art and artifacts. Wander through the galleries and marvel at the craftsmanship and artistry of these ancient treasures, each piece whispering tales of China's glorious past. Our final stop takes us to Tianzifang, a labyrinthine neighborhood that embodies Shanghai's creative spirit. This maze of narrow alleyways, once a residential area, has been transformed into a vibrant hub for artists, designers, and entrepreneurs. Get lost in the charm of its narrow lanes, discover unique boutiques and art studios, and find a cozy cafe to soak in the bohemian atmosphere. So there you have it, 10 of Shanghai's most captivating wonders, each offering a unique glimpse into the soul of this dynamic city. From the grandeur of the Bund to the tranquility of Yu Garden, the futuristic skyline to the charming water towns, Shanghai is a city that never ceases to amaze. Which of these wonders captivated you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more travel inspiration, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy travels.